Hello there, and welcome to our new series, Learning React to its entirety. I am Akash Srinivasan, and welcome to our channel, Coding Yogi. And today we will be diving into the world of React. React, also known as React.js, is a JavaScript library created by the Facebook team. It is used to build user interfaces and is a game changer that has shaped the way we used to build web applications. But before we get into the nitty gritty, let's explore its history. Back in the early days of the internet, websites were mostly static and making even minor updates required manual HTML editing. It was a time consuming and error prone process. Then came jQuery, a JavaScript library that simplified DOM manipulation. But as web applications grew in complexity, managing the DOM became challenging and a tedious task. This is where React comes into the scene. One of React's revolutionary concepts was the virtual DOM. This virtual representation of the actual DOM allowed React to efficiently update UI components, making it faster and more developer friendly. Over the years, React evolved and gained widespread adoption. It wasn't just used at Facebook, it became open source and was embraced by various developers. Today, React is a fundamental building block of modern web development. It's the engine behind countless web applications and is favored by various tech giants and startups.